Listen, I know you're tired of hearing the same recycled AI business ideas from so-called gurus. Let's be real. They're outdated, oversaturated, and just don't work anymore. I get it. I've been there. But over the last few months, I spent some time seriously digging and found what actually works. I've uncovered 5 untapped AI business ideas that no one's talking about yet. They will completely transform how you make money online in 2025. Trust me, the gurus are going to hate me for spilling this. But stick around, because this is your chance to be in the know. Most people are completely clueless about how fast AI is reshaping the world. And if you're not paying attention, you're about to be left behind. This jaw-dropping report from Goldman Sachs claims that AI is close to replacing over 300 million jobs. Let that sink in. 300 million. If you're not learning about this now, don't expect to thrive in the next few years unless you take this seriously. This is your chance to get ahead before it's too late. But it's not all doom and gloom. While AI might be replacing a lot of traditional jobs, it's also unlocking incredible opportunities to make money. One of the most exciting ways to do this right now is through something called AI-powered affiliate marketing. This method is blowing up because it's simple, it actually works, and doesn't require you to have any experience or money to get started. And it's all happening at the TikTok Shop. If you're not familiar, TikTok Shop lets creators sell products directly to their audience on the platform. You don't need to create or manage your own products. You just share links and earn a commission when people buy. You don't need to be a celebrity or have millions of followers. There are countless everyday people like you and me posting short, simple videos and earning thousands per day. This might sound great, but I'll be honest. There's a big problem with the TikTok Shop that no one talks about. The reason many new creators struggle is simple. They don't know how to create video scripts that actually convince people to buy. So, they spend all this time making videos, but they barely get any views and end up with no sales. Don't worry though, because I found a super easy way to fix this problem using AI. First, go to Google and search for Claude AI. It's a free AI writing tool that works better than ChatGPT for this purpose. Then, go to TikTok and find some affiliate marketing videos that have gone viral and are proven to work. Once you've found one you like, copy its URL and use a transcript tool, like TalkScript, to get the text of the video. Next, take that transcript and paste it into Claude AI. Tag it with a simple prompt like this. Create 10 TikTok scripts just like this to sell X product. In seconds, the AI will generate incredible, ready-to-use scripts for you. With these scripts, you can start making short, engaging videos to sell your affiliate products. After some practice, you'll be able to create viral scripts quickly and easily. And with the right product and video, you could start seeing results, even from your very first post. If you're someone who isn't comfortable showing your face online, you're going to love this next AI business idea. It's all about using a tool called applydesign.io, which can transform an empty room into a beautifully furnished one with just a few clicks. Here's why it works. Traditionally, homeowners and real estate agents had to spend thousands of dollars renting furniture and hiring professionals to stage homes for sale. But now, with this AI tool, you can help them achieve the same results for just a fraction of the cost. Getting started is simple. Go to applydesign.io and sign up for their free trial. Then upload a photo of an empty room, click Auto Stage, choose the room type and style, and within minutes, you'll have a fully furnished image ready to go. To turn this into a business, head to real estate sites like Zillow and find listings with empty rooms. Use the tool to create stunning staged images, then reach out to the agent via email. Share the before and after images as free samples, and in your email, mention something like, "If you liked these, I'd love to discuss doing the same for your other properties." It doesn't take long to land a few deals this way, and you can charge anywhere from $400 to $800 per listing. With just a handful of clients, this could quickly turn into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time gig. Now, let me introduce you to the next AI business idea: AI dropshipping. I usually don't recommend dropshipping for beginners because it's overwhelming, but I've found an AI tool that makes dropshipping super simple, even if you're a complete beginner. It's called AutoDS, and it's like having a virtual assistant that takes care of all the hard work. First, create your own Shopify store. The process is simple, and it takes only a few minutes to get started. The best part is that AutoDS handles everything else after you create your store. You won't have to worry about dealing with suppliers, managing inventory, or dealing with shipping. AutoDS gives you access to tons of data on what's currently selling in your niche, so it'll automatically load your store with products that are already proven to sell. AutoDS goes even further with a huge library of other winning products you can add to your store. They offer 3 categories to help you find the perfect products for your niche: handpicked products, TikTok spy, and trending products. For example, if you click on the TikTok spy tab, you'll get access to hundreds of products that are already blowing up on TikTok. The next AI business idea is super exciting because you don't need any fancy AI tools to get started, but you can still make a lot of money. In fact, I'm about to show you how people are making thousands of dollars every day with this brand new AI method. It's called becoming an AI creator, and here's how it works. Instead of using AI tools to create a business, you'll teach others how to use AI. You can do this on either TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. All you need to do is create valuable content, and your videos will almost automatically get attention due to the huge interest in AI. There are already creators making a lot of money from this niche. For example, the We Are No Code channel teaches people how to launch software companies using AI without having to learn coding. He sells a course on this and is making quite an income. So if you want to start as an AI creator in 2025, here's the best strategy. First, pick a specific niche where AI can solve a problem for businesses. For example, no-code AI is so successful because it's helping people launch their companies without them needing to code. You could choose something like AI tools for e-commerce or AI tools for social media creators. I'd research the best tools in that niche, then start making videos about them. You could begin on TikTok to test the interest, and from there, monetize by using affiliate links or creating your own digital products. The last AI business idea I'm about to share with you is going to blow your mind, and here's why. AI is improving so quickly that now, in just a few minutes, you can create your own AI sales bot. This bot can make sales calls, manage customer service, or even act as a receptionist. Let me give you a simple example to show just how powerful this can be. Think about businesses like doctors and dentists. They lose a lot of money when clients don't show up for their appointments. Since they can only see so many clients each day, every no-show costs them a ton. Here's where you come in. You can charge these businesses around $1,000 per month to set up an AI bot that calls clients 24 hours before their appointments. This would reduce no-shows and save them thousands of dollars every month. Here's how you can set up your own sales bot. Start by signing up for a free account with Synthflow. Once you're logged in, click Create in the top right and choose Customer Assistant. Follow the setup instructions, and then you'll reach the page where you can customize your bot. Here, you can write out your main pitch, add responses to common questions, and include objection handlers. Synthflow will create variations and continuously learn what works, making your bot smarter over time. The best part is that once the bot is set up, it runs automatically, meaning it's almost like semi-passive income. You'll just need to monitor it every few days. While this is a great business idea, if you're a beginner, I recommend starting with AI affiliate marketing. It's easier because you don't have to pitch services to businesses. You just share valuable content and earn through affiliate links. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to learn more, click on the video popping up on your screen right now, and I'll see you there.